Hello friends, happy Friday. Friends, today's Friday, now morning time. I am now walking through a small field and natural place in our area. Friends, today is 19 January 2024. Uh, this Friday morning, I walking through this small field in our area, society area. Here is a many types of trees, green nature. Friends, I am now walking here and I saw here some old plastic. So I am now try to cleaning this place, this small field. Many people use this field and use this place for walking society area. So friends, let's go. Cleaning mission is start now. Just action. Friends, you can see here many plastic and other garbage, cigarette butts. So I am now collecting cigarette butts and plastic from here. Plastic cigarette butts, lots of plastic here. Friends, I collected lots of cigarette filter butts from here. Cigarette butt and plastic. Cigarette packet from here. Another cigarette packet. Friends, here cigarette butt and plastic. Friends, this place is society area, so many people and children come here for entertainment, and many plastic cigarette butts laying here. Another plastic here. Older plastic from here. Another plastic here stuck in soils, so I collected this plastic from here. এগুলো আমি সংগ্রহ করে নেব. ওল্ড প্লাস্টিক স্টাক in soil, মাটিতে আটকে ছিল দেখেন, very old plastic, so I collected this plastic from here. Another cigarette butt, beautiful natural place here. Another plastic, so I collected this plastic from here. And another cigarette butt here. Friends, I collected lots of cigarette butt and plastic from here. You can see lots of plastic and cigarette butt from this society area, small field and natural place. Friends, now this all garbage throw in dustbin. Friends, these cigarette butts really very bad for our natural place, public place, children. দেখছি ওই দিক দিয়ে গেছিল ও ওই দিক দিয়ে ওই পাশ দিয়েছি দেখছি আমি আর যাও না মশা চলো আমরা চলে যাম ফ্রেন্ডস দিস ব্যাগ টু ইন ডাস্টবিন লেটস গো দিস আওয়ার এরিয়া আছে ডাস্টবিন থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ ফ্রেন্ড